Hello viewers, welcome to the video lecture series on the job role of Electric Vehicle Service Assistant Class 9th. So let's start the video with today's content on Unit 2 Electric Vehicles and their Components. Session 2 Components of Electric Vehicles. In this video, you will learn about components of electric vehicles. So viewer, the components of electric vehicles are battery pack, electric motor, motor controller, onboard charger, DC-DC converter, battery management system, vehicle control unit, wiring harness, charging port. Second, activity for students. We divide two parts of this session. In this session, we are going to discuss some components of electric vehicle that are battery pack, electric motor, motor controller, onboard charger. So let's discuss the first component of electric vehicle, that is battery pack. The battery pack is the heart of an electric vehicle. It stores electric energy that is used to power the electric motor. The battery pack is typically made up of a large number of individually battery cells that are connected in series and or parallel to achieve the desired voltage and capacity. The type and size of the battery pack used in an electric vehicle can have a significant impact on the vehicle's performance, range, and overall cost. Electric vehicles use different types of battery to store and provide the electric energy needed to power the vehicle. So student, let's discuss the next component, electric motor. The electric motor is the component that converts electrical energy stored in the battery pack into mechanical energy, which is used to propel the vehicle. Electric motors can be either AC or DC motors. AC motors are more efficient and offer better performance, but they are more expensive than DC motors. The electric motor is the primary source of propulsion in an electric vehicle. Unlike a traditional internal combustion engine which burns fuel to create mechanical power, an electric motor uses electrical energy from the battery pack to produce rotational motion. So here, there are various types of electric motors used in electric vehicle. Electrical vehicles use various types of electric motor to drive their wheels. The choice of motor type can depend on factors like efficiency, power, requirement, and cost. Here are some common types of electric motors used in electric vehicles along with examples. First, brushless DC or VLDC motor. VLDC motors are widely used in electric vehicles due to their high efficiency and reliability. They do not require brushes, which reduce maintenance needs. Second, permanent magnet synchronous motors or PMSM. PMSM motors have permanent magnets on the rotor and are known for their efficiency and precise control. Third, induction motors. These motors do not have permanent magnets and work on the principle of electromagnetic induction. Axial flux motors. Axial flux motors have a unique design where the magnetic field runs parallel to the rotor's axis. They are lighter and more compact, making them suitable for some EVs. Now students, let's move on the next component, that is motor controller. The motor controller is an electronic device that controls the speed and torque of the electric motor. It received input from the accelerator pedal and adjusts the power output of the electric motor accordingly. It is responsible for controlling the speed, torque, and direction of the electric motor. Based on input from the vehicle's accelerator pedal and the other control systems. The motor controller works by receiving signal from various sensors throughout the vehicles, such as the accelerator pedal, position sensor, and the motor temperature sensor. It then uses this information to determine how much current to send to the electric motor to achieve the desired level of performance. Now students, let's move on the next component, that is the onboard charger. The onboard charger is the component that is used to charge the battery pack of electric vehicle. It converts AC power from the charging station into DC power that is used to charge the battery pack. The onboard charger is typically located within the vehicle and is designed to be compact and efficient, while also meeting the safety and performance standards required for EVs. So, these are some components for today's session. We learned other components in part 2. So students, it's time for activity. You can get help from your teachers and guide too. The activities include: compare the model of the electric vehicle's specification between two different components, two-wheeler etc. So student, when you are doing this type of activity, submit your learning outcome to your teachers in school. Now it's time to summarize our video lecture session. So in today's session, we learned a lot about the components of an electric vehicle. First, battery pack. Second, electric motor. Third, the motor controller, while the onboard charger. That's all for today's session. Thank you for joining us. Till then, keep watching and enjoy learning.